What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, naisipan ko lang just to switch things up. Vlog ako ngayon. So again, for a change, masyado naman kasing technical yung aking channel. But again, maybe in the future I may be sharing some of my personal life, day in the life of a champion forex trader. Okay, so yeah, ika nga, ito yung mga pinaka-importante is for me, spend more time with the family. So currently, kasama ko yung anak ko ngayon, so I may be buying some stuff for him. Again, yun yung pinaka-importante more than anything else is provide them and making time for them. Okay, so hindi lang lahat pera, hindi lang lahat material na bagay. So for me, that's the reason I decided to become a trader. Okay, is to manage my own time. Yung walang magdidikta sa'yo, yung may time na, siyempre, hindi mo tayo perfecto, no? Sometimes, tinataman tayo ng katamaran. Like, in a day, when I was still working abroad. So, may pagkakataon talaga na nakakatamad talaga pumasok. So, but, I have to get up and do the usual routine. Kasi nga, we are paid as an employee, diba? So yung oras natin is binabayaran. So pag hindi ka pumasok, either you take a leave or a paid leave, or mag-absent ka. So again, meaning you are not in control of your life. So lalo na yung mga okasyon na mahalaga like Christmas, New Year. So marami din ako mga pinalagpas na Pasko nun. But again, that's the time I decided na I have to do something else. Okay, how to make money on my own without being dependent on a company. So now that I have the capability and have the skill to do that, so I'm just taking full advantage of my time right now. Of course, mas malaking oras sa pamilya, and of course sa ating mga VIP students. Okay, so again, it's all about time management sa side ko lang naman. So again, para sa mga aspiring traders, okay, wag niyong gawing rason lang dahil gusto niyo kumita ng pera. Okay, eventually 90% of people will fail for the first 3 months. Some of them, or majority of them, quit kasi nga they are being slapped by the reality na hindi pala ganun yung trading lang. Okay, contrary dun sa pinapakita sa social media ng iba. Okay, masyado ng toxic ngayon sa social media nowadays. Masyado ng maraming mga pretentious na trader na galing sa mga networking. Okay, nothing against them. Okay, this is a business, so I have to respect their grind. Okay, but at what point na you have to hard sell, okay, yung inyong mga produkto or kung ano naman, but that's a different story. Okay, kaya kung makikita nyo, I'm growing my channel organically. I'm very much being patient. Okay, na hindi ko kailangan ng mga ads. Makita nyo, even sa Facebook, I don't do any paid advertisement. Why? Eventually people will discover my channel, and importante is I'm providing quality content and learning sa mga tao, not just I want to sell them something. Okay, so the reason I'm tuturo ko is, for me, it's a way to enhance and improve pa yung skills ko, diba? Kasi the more you practice what you preach, at the same time, the more na nagtuturo ka, mas na-expose ka sa iba't ibang situations wherein may mga questions talaga yung mga estudyante na sometimes it will challenge you. Okay, lalo na yung mga advanced kong mga students. So hindi naman kasi lahat ng genero sa akin ay beginner lang or wala talagang alam. Unlike for those people na nag-enroll somewhere else, okay, talagang yun yung mga majority dyan, 90% is zero knowledge. But for me, marami nag-inquire sa akin na mga ICT traders, okay, supply and demand traders, ano pa, I mean, they have been in the business for 3 to 5 years, but they don't find themselves, or they don't find themselves yet na profitable. So that's the time I stepped in para matulungan sila how they can improve their strategy. Of course, gamitin yung strategy ko, yung system ko, which is yung TIP champion system. So again, I'm not saying the system that I'm doing right now is the best, but I can fairly say na I have helped a lot of people to improve their trading. Okay, so yeah. So kaya yung mga nagtatanong, sir, bakit maliit pa yung subscribers nyo? Again, I don't try to push myself naman na masyadong hard sell to like more on marketing, diba? So hindi ako nagbabayad ng mga ads. I don't have to, okay, because I'm earning money sa trading, and I don't have to shout like let the world know that I'm the best forex trader. Hindi ganun, okay? If you find my contents helpful, then dun pa lang sa mga free contents ko, dun na kayo decently pwede na kayo kumita, diba? So I think a lot of followers can attest to that, na ginagamit nila ngayon, okay, yung mga concepts na tinuturo ko publicly, okay? I'm not forcing anyone na mag-enroll kayo sa mentorship, but again, there are just some people na they have to take it seriously when it comes to trading, kasi nga they have to change their lifestyle when it comes to, you know, ayun na nila, pagod na sila sa pagiging empleyado. Okay, talaga nakapagod naman talaga whenever there's someone directing you what to do on a day-to-day basis. Okay, lalo na yung mga on-call, diba? So nakakapagod yun. Okay, project-based, and like some yung mga nurses na you have to have this night shift schedules na abnormal. Okay, so talaga nakakapagod yan. So yeah, so kaya napaka-importante na you can make money, you know, nasa sarili mo, na hindi ka nakadepende sa employer o kung kanino man. But again, nothing against employees, nothing against those people who are working hard for their family from that 9 to 5 job. Okay, I was once in your shoes, so alam ko yung pakiramdam na kailangan nating magsuporta sa lahat, no, kahit wala nang matira sa atin. So that is common mentality na we have to provide, lalo na kung ikaw yung breadwinner sa family. Okay, so you just have to respect yung grind. Okay, I just found myself na I think trading has opened a lot of opportunities and doors for me. Okay, lalo na nakapagbigay din sa akin ng freedom. Okay, lalo na I can manage my own time. Okay, anytime pwede ako matulog kung kailan ko gusto. Okay, without someone telling me that I have to do this and that. Okay, when it comes to work. Okay, so again, yung oras kasi hindi mo na mababalik yan. Yung mga material na bagay, kaya pa yung mabawi, kaya pa yung makuha ulit. Kahit nag-fail ka sa mga businesses mo, eventually you can still find a way na karoon ka ng comeback. Okay, mabawi yung mga nawala sa'yo. Okay, yung mga pinambayad mo sa utang, out of like unfortunate situations kung ikaw ay nagbe-business. Pero again, the point here is you have to have the skill. Kailangan makagawa ng paraan, matutunan yung mga bagay na paano ko gagawa ng pera without being dependent on someone. Okay, so learn, okay, then master your craft. Okay, not to a sense na totally 100% kasi wala naman ganun. I myself have some losses, but since I have a mature mindset na when it comes to risk management, no, so I am able to recover yung mga losses. Okay, and currently ngayon ang approach is I always try to make sure na I always put a position na mababa yung risk. Okay, it's always a low risk high reward approach. Okay, hindi tayo nagsusugal. Okay, kaya again, don't take trading as an answer para masagot lahat ng problema nyo. You have to work for it, you have to give it time kasi it's a skill. Hindi yan basta natuto kayo sa akin and after a month okay ka na. Okay, you have to experience some losses, okay, eventually, but that is part ng process of ng learning. Okay, so ngayon it's just a casual day, Monday ngayon, and just enjoying myself. Okay, spending time with my son. Okay, so ngayon busy siya ngayon, wala pa, uli-uli lang kami dito sa kids or toy section dito sa mall. Okay, para naman maiba environment. So It's not about money, it's not about sports cars, it's not about mansions, it's not about bragging how much money you make, okay? For me, I just find trading as a means to, to provide for the family. Ano pa? Mabili mo yung gusto mo, okay? Makakain ka sa mga restaurants na gusto mo, okay? Makapag-grocery ka sometimes na hindi mo na kailangan tingnan pa yung price, okay? So again, it's all about time freedom. Yung pera, materials, may babalik pa yan. You can still manage to earn yung mga yon, pero yung oras pag nawala, that's it, diba? Lipas na yon. So kaya nga sabi ko, if there is one skill na kailangan nyo matutunan this 2025, that is to know how to properly invest in yourself. Mag-aaral kayo ng trading para mas mabilis yung balik, kasi trading nga naman in general is a faster ROI compared to traditional business. So again, business wise, maraming negosyo ngayon na you have to put up a lot of capital, and then yung ROI is not a guarantee, okay? So kaya lahat naman may risk. So if I were to start again, this 2025, I'd rather learn skills such as trading, okay? So kung kayo naman ay may iba pang skills na alam, just try to be more like well-rounded, okay? So kung kayo naman nasa IT field, much better magkaroon kayo ng iba pang magkaroon kayo ng iba pang bagay na pagkakaabalahan. Huwag kayo yung always play safe, okay? Walang mangyayari sa inyo kung always play safe lang tayo sa buhay. Take risk, but make sure it's a calculated risk, okay? Kaya nga sabi ko, yung mga nag-enroll sa mentorship, it's not for me, it's actually for you. Lahat ng matutunan nyo sa akin is dadalhin nyo yung panghabang buhay. You can share that to your loved ones, family, friends, okay, na pwede rin nilang matutunan. So pagdating sa knowledge, walang talo yan, okay? Not unless, example, you invest onto something like a tool, a service, a product. Yon, if hindi ka naging successful doon, nasunog yung account mo, like for example, general example dyan, may EAs, di ba? So maraming EA na hype lang sa una, okay? It's a pre-program tool. Papanaluhin ka sa una, parang sugal, and eventually kakainin yung buong account mo, okay? I'm not saying walang kumikita dyan. There are few legitimate na mga nagpo-provide ng EAs, okay? Magaganda talaga yung program, but the majority are all BS, diba? So they are just crowdfunding, ika nga, diba? So invite lang ng invite, nagiging networking na, diba? So napaka-toxic, okay? So alam niyo naman yung galawan ng mga networking, kaya diba, be cautious, scrutinize what you are going into, diba? So scrutinize mo muna ano ba yung background niyan, kasi may mga ngayon marami ng mga sponsored posts na they say they are a legitimate trader, pero eventually ang bagsak niyan, bebentahan ka ng ng EAs, bebentahan ka ng mga modules lang, okay? So they are not really teaching you like what I am doing right now as one-on-one. Talagang session tayo, one-on-one, okay? Some of them parang ayaw naman talaga magturo, like they will charge you like 300,000, 200,000 for a one-on-one mentorship. Tapos lang ituturo lang sa'yo, support and assistance. So that for me is a huge risk, diba? So hindi lang risk, talagang sayang yung pera mo, okay? So yeah, nothing against them, okay? I'm just sharing my thoughts kasi nga these are all comments from my VIP students na galing sa mga ibang nagtuturo na nasalihan nila, ibang groups, ibang I don't know, source, okay? Mga word of mouth na sabi ni ganito, sabi na ganyan, okay daw, then eventually sunugan sila. So the decision is always on you, okay? Kung nag-invest ka doon initially, nothing is to blame, no one is to blame, kundi sarili mo, kasi you have all the right para i-check yon bago ka mag-involve sa ma-involve sa mga ganun. So again, yeah, okay, so hopefully you can decide better na I'd rather waste my time learning rather than wasting my money without learning anything. Ika nga. So, mas maganda na yung marami tayong natutunan na nagsasayang oras kaysa nagsasayang tayo ng oras sa mga bagay na hindi naman natin control or wala talaga tayong natutunan. Alright? So, yeah. Okay, so hinahayaan ko lang maglaruan ako dito. And later on, yeah, uwi na. Okay. So this is just a short video for you guys. So para mas, magkaroon naman tayo ng a little change for my channel, di ba? Hindi naman puro technicals. Kasi I think pretty much marami na ako naturo. So I have a lot of videos na talagang high valued content. So if you find that, if you think na basic lang yon, okay, panoorin nyo kasi lahat. Okay, panoorin nyo yung buong video, hindi lang yung simula. Okay, of course, I cannot share everything in public, but mas natutuwa ako when people say na, sir, mas marami pa ako natutunan sa mga free content nyo kaysa sa mga in-enroll lang ko na na mentorship kuno-kuno. Okay, so again, with all due respect, when I say students, yun talaga yung naturuan ko ng one-on-one. Okay, hindi yan yung bumili lang ng kung anong course. Okay, students is you are the one actively teaching them. Okay, hindi yung dahil nagbenta ako sa'yo ng kung ano, PDF o kung ano man, estudyante na kita. Okay, magkaiba yon. Okay, you are just a client or customer kapag gano'n. You are just buying a certain product. Pero kapag ka naturuan kita, you are actually a student. Okay, so kaya you must know ano yung mas okay sa'yo, what will work for you and what's best for you. Okay, you have more time para mag-isip naman. So this 2025, this is a chance for you to reassess, reflect ano nga ba talagang gusto mo sa buhay mo, how you can improve your and reach your financial goals. Okay, so it may not be financial, pwedeng physical. Okay, ano pa, mental health. Okay, so yung mga bagay ngayon na importante, more than sports car, mansion, kung ano-ano man, nothing wrong with that. So kung ikaw ay sugarol, okay, mag-promote ka ng mga sugal. Okay, but for me, I don't really touch on all those gambling contents o kung ano man offers. And to be honest, I do get some offers na mag-promote ng sugal, but straight up, I blocked all of them, marked them as spam. Okay, kasi ayoko nga ng sugal. Okay, I'd rather waste my money on food. Okay, something more of value rather than thinking na easy money yung mga sugal na yan, like yung pinoportray sa mga ads. Okay, so again, people decided to promote gambling for money. Okay, so marami naman talaga ng mga influencers ngayon na hinahabol. They have like an upfront like 3 million, 2 million offers para lang mag-promote ng sugal sa channel nila. So for me, no. Okay, I'm earning money from trading and other online business na hindi ko kailangan i-involve yung mga tao at malulong sa sugal. Okay, so yun yung mga pinaka-importanteng bagay. So again, it is what it is. So pinapasakay ako ng anak ko dito sa sasakyan, laruan. Okay, so yeah, alright. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so yeah, so this is just a casual video. So hopefully you get the point what I'm trying to share with you guys today, and I hope na-refresh kayo na okay, hindi lang puro technicals. Okay, so that will be it for today. So this is just a casual catch-up video for you guys. So yeah, the next few days I'll be, of course, doing my own thing, the usual thing na ginagawa ko, like technical analysis. But hopefully there is something new, like a refresh, para get something, a little bit of change for my channel. So yeah, every now and then I'll be sharing some vlog style content, okay, and some mga ano man naisip ko yun, like thoughts when it comes to trading, investment, and anything under the sun when it comes to the industry. Alright? So, yeah. So again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So, yeah. God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully, guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright, guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright, guys, so that would be it. So, yun lang, and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.